So this is the 10% azelaic acid booster with licorice and salicylic acid from Paula's Choice. I am the biggest fan of Paula's Choice. I have dealt with really bad acne, hyperpigmentation, cystic acne, you name it, I've dealt with this, and Paula's Choice makes my skin so clear and so smooth. I actually tried this after doing a bit of research on how to deal with cystic acne, and I kept reading that azelaic acid, it's such a tongue twister, is actually really effective for dealing with cystic acne. So I bought this, and this is like my third bottle. I'm a huge fan of this. If you have cystic acne, if you have even like other types of acne, I would definitely recommend this. This is just a booster, which means you're supposed to layer this with your other products. So in my routine, I actually put this on right before my moisturizer. That way then my moisturizer can come in and kind of seal in all the product. I cannot sing Paula's Choice's praises enough. I am obsessed with their products. I have never tried a product that I didn't love, and I would highly, highly recommend this product, especially if you have severe skin issues. I would give this 100 out of 10 if I could. This product is so amazing, and I promise if you do try it, you will not be disappointed.